Hi from the Jersey Shore.
What's up YouTube? It's Miguel and Maria, and we decided to spend the weekend away from the city.
This weekend, we're spending some time in Avalon.
Hold on, wait, do that again. That's on the wrong side of it.
We're spending some time in Avalon with some friends.
We're gonna do a little bit of fishing, hanging out at the beach, going to a local bar.
Most importantly, our friends' 2 super cute pups are here, and they're gonna get the bulk of our attention.
Go in.
Freezing cold.
Wine, flip the veil, and then essentially like you're tossing, let it sink to the bottom so you'll see the line slowly stop.
Yeah.
And then when you feel a little bite, fucking sink the thing.
Alright.
Let's go.
Whoa.
You see that?
Chris also just caught a shark. Oh my god, I'm in. There's so many horseshoe crab carcasses here, I don't understand. It's kind of bizarre. Short break from the fishing and drinking to get these 2 their marriage license.
Our first kiss right here.
Do solemnly swear that we are not currently ruled mentally incompetent.
Yes.
The most important meal.
Bark bitch. I am making a frozen watermelon margarita using my Jimmy Buffett Margaritaville margarita maker.
How does this work?
So you put the ice in here, and it shreds the ice down instead of blending it, so that it's like the margarita doesn't separate from the ice.
I'm so excited about this.
Just take that
Oh, yeah. Incredible technology.
Why'd Chris get the fullest one?
I slipped a little bit because I was stingy with my
That's nice.
With the basil? That's nice.
Wow.
Oh, mommy.
We need to get this margarita machine for the house.
And
Look at this redneck.
maybe a little cayenne if they have it.
Let's meet the boys that are the stars of the weekend. Here's the first one. Hi, baby. This is Mork. Mork is very sweet. Big fan of butt scritches and big fan of you never leaving the house. And this is Calvin. Favorite things include always carrying a toy and kind of ignoring you unless you're his dad. Calvin. We had a really nice dinner at the house, and now we're walking over to the Princeton, which I heard has extremely strong martinis. We're about to find out. So we are just walking down the streets of Avalon, and it's so beautiful.
It's Christmas every day.
Really? Yeah.
Everything
bike gang headed to the beach. Bike gang.
We're gonna get a free dive shot right now, boys.
Hopping in, let's go.
Trying to build a moat because the tide is coming in and we don't want to move our chairs, and none of these other men want to help, so here's Miguel doing his best.
An army of one. We
Yeah.
need our help.
Hello. There's a dwarf just waiting. Oh, hello. Oh, they're so cute. Kidnap. Operation Dog Kidnap commence. While Mindy's not looking, let's go.
We're gonna try to teach Maria how to bike. It's going well, babe. That's good, baby. Get some speed so you can stay straight. For those of you that learned to bike as an adult, if you have any tips,
Oh my god.
if you have any tips, comment below any advice to help Maria get her bearings. I mean, she's doing pretty great. Spoke too soon.
We're at Port Marina. We're
Beautiful.
in Cape May, right on the water. Hopefully we're gonna catch a little sunset.
I love a dinner
And
and a
maybe have a little
sunset.
sushi, a little cocktail.
Oh my god, I'm getting like Tulum vibes. Like fancy Tulum vibes. Cute.
This is the price
It's a
of a
little
nice
hot.
spot. It's blocking the sun.
It's worth it. No, it's okay. It's worth it. We like it. We're having a great time. We look cool. Watch the most beautiful sunset. The sunsets are so pretty around here. Look. And here's Chris and Mindy looking cute. And Tess and Erik looking cute. And then Miguel won't hold my hand.
I will hold her hand if you like, subscribe, and comment below. When we get to 500 subscribers, then I will hold my wife's hand.
Okay, guys, please,
Please.
please show up for me.
We've got a Reese's freezer, which kind of looks like a McFlurry. I love all things Reese's.
One
Yo,
more. We have
you're
one more.
Thank you so much. What's the verdict? Is it
Wait.
good? Oh, peanuts?
Give people the footage. Give people the footage they've been waiting for.
Oh, that's gonna go behind a paywall. There's no way that. Oh, and this is all free. Damn. It's our last day, but we're stopping by breakfast, and it smells so good right outside of here. Avalon Beach weekend is coming to an end. We're packing up now. It's time for the drive back to the city. See you next time.